Hello Kamadla, welcome to the Intramuros store. First time ko pang napuntahan to, kaya samahan niyo ako. The Spanish Governor Miguel Lopez de Legazpi founded the walled city of Intramuros in 1571. Yung nakikita niyo po dyan, yan po yung San Agustin Church. San Agustin Church, Manila, completed in 1607. It is the oldest stone and church in the country in 1993. Yung nakikita nyo dyan, yan po yung golf club. Sobrang laki. Yan yung nakikita nyo building, sobrang ganda. Parang feeling ko parang nasa Europa ako. Dito na po natatapos ang ating Intramuros tour. Maraming pong salamat Kamadlang people and keep on watching and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.